Hi there, my name is John Pleasant, and this is my garden plot for the spring semester. Now, starting off, I was given a 4x6 bed, and in that I mostly direct seeded. I direct seeded my carrots, snap peas, sweet corn, Kirby cucumbers, and dill, with the exception of the green magic broccoli, which I did transplant. And for the structure, I did mostly straight rows, just very simple. And everything was a dicot, with the exception of the sweet corn, which was a monocot, and my bed was on the far west side. Now, I noticed that this bed had a very rich soil to start off with, as you can see in this photo, having a good amount of manure. And to fertilize it, I added 2 gallons of compost tea to my bed 2 times, in addition to phosphate, which helped metabolize the plant sugars, and gypsum, which gave calcium to support the plants and soil structure. Now, right after planting, our winter storm came along and froze the soil multiple times, with an average temperature of 29 degrees at night and 55 degrees in the day up to early March. And as I found out later, corn needs 50 degrees in order to germinate, and cucumbers need a staggering 68 degrees. As you can see, by early March, none of my cucumbers germinated, and only about 1 in 5 corn seeds sprouted. Because of this, I replaced my row of cucumbers with 5 transplanted dicot Boston lettuce plants. And even with the cold weather, the snap peas and carrots sprouted up very well, as you can see here. And with all this rain, I had to fight many weeds. Especially early on, I had to mainly fight grass, but when it started warming up in late March, this goosefoot went literally everywhere. It spread like crazy. And also I had a lot of pincher bugs, especially these young white ones, which I thought were interesting. But unlike the other beds, I didn't have too many problems with things eating holes in my plants or anything. And I also had beneficial insects, such as a lot of ladybugs. And I didn't see any aphids, so I'll credit them for that. Now, to conclude, everything did extremely well once the sunshine and warmth of May came. Here's my carrots. They did very well, they exploded, and I took over 35 home. And the broccoli grew to a very good size, but none of it flowered, so I couldn't take anything home. All of my snap peas grew strong and were very delicious. There's a photo from the top. It kind of went everywhere. However, my corn didn't have enough time to grow, but the late transplanted lettuce did very well, in addition to the dill. Grew super tall. And here's an overall picture of my bed, and I'm very happy with the results. Thank you for listening.